तो फिल्म की कहानी सिकंदर यानी कि सलमान खान की है, जो राजकोट का राजा माना जाता है। सलमान खान के स्वैग के साथ रश्मिका मंदाना का ग्रेस इसे जबरदस्त बना रहा है। फैंस को लंबे समय से सलमान की फिल्म का इंतजार है और यही वजह है कि इस ट्रेलर को रिलीज हुए महज चंद घंटे ही हुए हैं और 3.5 करोड़ से ज्यादा लोग इसे देख भी चुके हैं।
Eid, Diwali, New Year, festive, non-festive.
Right.
It's the love of the people.
Yeah.
And picture अच्छी हो, बुरी हो, वो 100 तो पार करा ही देते हैं।
200 सर, 3-4 दिन में 200. Now first reaction.
200, 100 बहुत पहले की बात थी।
We were actually discussing this. Salman sir, you're looking fantastic first. Can I just say this?
Thank you, thank
and you. put all of us to shame also. हर बारी वापस जाके बहुत सारी चीजें करनी पड़ती
बीच में कभी-कभी ऐसा गड़बड़ हो जाता है कि 6-7 रात सोए नहीं, फिर वो सोशल मीडिया वाले पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, उनको दिखाना पड़ता है कि भाई अभी तक है। और फिर बोलता है कि 31 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है हीरोइन और मुझ में। अरे जब हीरोइन को ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हीरोइन के फादर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुमको क्यों प्रॉब्लम है भाई? अब जब इनकी शादी हो जाएगी, बच्ची हो जाएगी, हाँ बड़ी स्टार हो जाएगी, वो सभी काम करेंगे ना, मम्मी का परमिशन तो मिल ही जाएगा, है ना?
Sikandar make you whistle when you watch the film. Salman sir will make you whistle. He will make you cry when you watch the film. So definitely you will enjoy the film.
As long as Salman sir does not make Murgados and Sajid Nagarwala cry after the release and break her amazing track record, I am fine with it.
I think all that is quite simple and very sorted out. जिस तरह हमने देखी है. Let's go to that lady over there in the red. You know, when we were chatting, everything looks fantastic. You know, when you come on stage, there's an aura of a gentleman, and it's happened to so many people. I've had people that just don't suddenly just stop speaking in front of Salman sir. You're in a film which is there, which is going to be larger than life. You're going to walk away with, no matter what you do, 200, 300, 400, 500 ऐसे बन जाएंगे. Have you thought about those things? And now that the trailer has been seen by everyone, this is the first time you also saw it. How are you feeling?
I'm overwhelmed. I'm so excited to see all of you all here, and thank you for coming. Working with Salman sir, like you said, you know, there was one scene that I did with him. I can't say much about the film, so I'm not going to get into that. But after every take, I said, Salman sir, sorry. Salman sir, sorry. You know I don't mean it. I'm sorry.
Were you hitting him?
Huh?
Were you?
No, all that I don't know what I was doing. But at least 5 times I must have joined my hand and said, Salman sir, you know I don't mean it.
But after that, like now that you've seen it, have you got that impression of being able to say that, wow, this is there, and then hardly a week to go? The butterflies must be through your head right now.
I'm very excited. Yeah. It's literally my second film, and I got the chance to work with Salman sir, Sajid sir, Murgados sir. It's very special, and you know, when it's a Salman sir film, you know the guaranteed box office that's in there.
Yeah, your box office record.
Yeah, so excited.
मत डालो भाई.
Sir, मैंने मुरुगदास सर पे तो 0 का pressure डाल दिया. 100,000 बोल दिया. So we already crossed that. Kajal, you've been so fantastic over the years, you know, in various industries as well. Earlier there was a time, you know, where it would be completely different. Things have become so similar now. It's almost like, you know, you walk in from here into that industry as well. But just being part of a large magnum opus, does it still excite you as much when you see yourself on screen?
Good evening, everyone. Of course, it will. I think it is just extremely exciting. It is extremely humbling to be a part of a phenomenal star cast, to be a part of such a huge film.
I got this opportunity to work with Salman sir, as in, what can get bigger than that? And Murugadas sir, I've always wanted to work with him because, like, I entered the industry like 8 years ago, but I've been watching sir's work since way before I got into the industry. But watching him do his films is so incredibly beautiful. It's got so much emotion. It's like mass. That's how sir says it. It's all mass. So I really wanted to work with sir, and I got this opportunity today, and I'm really, really honored. And Sajid sir, of course, like, I think for this film is the first time sir called me, and he was like, listen, we wanted to work with each other, and I have a great script for you. And that's when it all started. But it's been super special. Of course, I haven't gotten any opportunity to work with the ladies, like with the scene in front of whatever dialogues and all of that. But I hope I get to do so. They're so gorgeous, they're so beautiful. So I'll probably be like, very pretty the whole time.
And so are you.
Salman sir, But this film has a lot of action also, you know.
It has everything.
You have to
It has
carry
everything.
that with you all the time. There's a lot of emotion. I love that last sequence in the end where Rashmika singing the song also. Beautifully done. Does this get tougher also to be able to live up to everyone's expectation, to marry everyone?
With the years of experience and the enthusiasm still there, it's getting easier.
Best part that you liked about the trailer that you're watching right now, you watched it in totality, we saw it twice, what you liked most?
The best part I liked of the trailer was like the whole trailer, but the second half of the trailer was amazing with that. Humko mili.
I would love to make her sing that again, but it was fine. Will you sing it, sir? Salman sir, will you sing it? I'll have the entire crowd sing with you. The lyrics, right? Who knows his full song? Who knows his full song here? Who knows? You know the full song?
नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए आपके नसीब में ये रात हो रात नहीं रात.
Wonderful, wonderful. This is, I think, just an incredible family atmosphere also that's happened there. Salman sir, who was the most surprising performance in all the cast? You know, who really surprised you when you saw it?
I think all of them are fantastic, and they've worked really, really hard. Especially Miss Mandana here has given it her best. She was shooting for Pushpa 2, and we were there, and she used to finish shooting at about 7 o'clock. She used to join us at 9 o'clock in the evening. She used to be working with us till 6:30 in the morning, and then she used to go back to work for Pushpa 2. And she was not well as well. And then, after she breaking her leg, she still shot with us, didn't cancel a single day. She reminds me a lot of me.
You had broken ribs.
Younger me means yesterday coming.
But you had a very tough time as well also. You know, a lot of the times when you have an action hero image also.
When the going gets tough, the tough get going.